Hello students, today we will solve the practice set 10. In practice set 10 is addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Already in last video we will see the conversion of the mixed number into improper fraction, but in this video you will see the addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Practice set 10. Today we will solve the practice set 10. First number question, add. What is add? Then question number 1 is 6 upon 1 by 3 plus 2 upon 1 by 3. Here given the question 6 upon 1 by 3 and 2 upon 1 by 3. Now we will add. This is the symbol of addition. Here two methods, method 1 and method 2. As you wish, how to you like easy, then you will solve just like method number 1 is 6 upon 1 by 3 plus 2 upon 1 by 3. At first what do? Write 6 upon 1 by 3 plus 2 upon 1 by 3 equal to this one and this one. At first take one side, 6 plus 2, take one side and plus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 fraction other side. Here this one add, again this one add. 6 plus 2 is what? 8 plus 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. How to add 1 by 3 and 1 by 3? At first take LCM. Both are same. You take 3 and 3 1 ja 3. You take upside 1 and 1. It means plus 2 by 3. Your answer is 8 upon 2 by 3. This is the addition of 6 upon 1 by 3 plus 2 upon 1 by 3. The addition is 8 upon 2 by 3. Next method is you 2 upon 1 by 3. At first we will change the mixed fraction in improper fraction. 6 into 3 plus 1 1. It means 18 plus 1 19 upon 3. And next is 2 into 3 plus 1 equal to 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Mixed fraction change in improper fraction. Now add 19 by 3 plus 7 by 3 equal to, take LCM 3, 19 plus 7. How much 19 plus 7? 26 by 3. Now we will change improper in mixed fraction. How can change? You can divide 3 till the table of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24 and 3 9 ja 27. It means 8. 24. You subtract 6 minus 4, 2. 2 into 2. How to write? Start from here. You can write 8 upon 2 by 3. Here we solve the questions in two methods. One method number 1 and method number 2. As you wish, you like, you can solve the questions, the addition. Next question is 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 upon 1 by 2. How to solve? At first write 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 upon 1 by 2 equal to, you can write 1 plus 3 one side and 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 one side. 1 plus 3 equal to 4 plus, here take LCM 4 into 2. 4 2 1 ja 2. So simple method this one. And here 2 cover up, 4 into 1. 4 plus 2 1 ja 2 plus 4 1 ja 4 by 4 2 ja 8. 4 plus 2 plus 4 6 by 8. It means you can write the answer 4 upon 6 by 8. This is the answer of the second number. Next method, second number method is how to write. At first mixed fraction is changed into improper fraction. Here you can write 6 by 8 in smallest form. How to write? 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. It means 3 and 4. It means 4 upon 3 by 4. Next second method is write 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 upon 1 by 2. How to write? At first change in improper fraction. How to change? 4 1 are 4 plus 5. 5 by 4 plus 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7 by 2. Now we will take LCM. 4 into 2, then 5 into 2 plus 7 into 4. It means 10 plus 28 by 8. 38 by 8. 4 2 are 19 by 4. Smallest form is 19 by 4. You can change in mixed fraction. How to? You at first divide 4 to 19. 4 4 is 16 minus 3. You can start from here. 4 upon 3 by 4. This is the answer of the second addition. Next question is number 3 is 5 upon 1 by 5 plus 2 upon 1 by 7. At first write 5 upon 1 by 5 plus 2 upon 1 by 7. You can take 5 plus 2 one side and 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 another side. 5 plus 2 equal to how much? 7 plus here take LCM 5 into 7. 5 leave it. You can write 7 into 1 plus 7 stop 5 into 1. It means 7 plus 7 1 is 7 plus 5 1 is 5 by 5 7 is 35. It means 7 plus 5 how much? 12. 12 by 35. What is the answer? Is 7 plus 12 by 35 equal to 7 upon 12 by 35. Easy. Next method is 5 upon 1 by 5 plus 2 upon 1 by 7. At first mixed fraction change in improper. 5 5 is 25 plus 1 26 by 5 plus 7 2 is 14 plus 1 15 by 7. Again you take LCM. 5 into 7 26 into how much? 7 plus 15 into 5. 26 into 7 how much? You can multiply. 6 7 is 42. 4 7 2 is 14 and 4 18. 1 82 plus 5 15 5 is 75 plus by divided by 35. How much? Add 2 plus 5 7 8 plus 7 15 and 2 57 by 35. You can divide mixed fraction. You can change in mixed fraction. 257 35 7 is how much? See 5 7 is 35 plus 35 3 and 7 3 is 21 or 24. Same subtract 7 minus 5 2 and 5 minus. You can write 7 upon 12 by 35. Question is 3 upon 1 by 5 plus 2 upon 1 by 3. At first write 3 upon 1 by 5 plus 2 upon 1 by 3. How can do? At first 3 plus 2 take one side and 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 another side. 3 plus 2 5 plus take LCM 5 multiply 3 into 1 plus 5 into 1 5 plus 3 1 ja 3 plus 5 by 5 3 ja 15. It means 5 plus 8 by 15. The answer is 5 upon 8 by 15. Second method, 3 upon 1 by 5 plus 2 upon 1 by 3. Change in mixed fraction. 5 3 is 15, 1 plus 1 16 by 5 plus 3 2 is 6, 7 by 3. Take LCM 5 into 3, 16 into 3 plus 7 into 5. 16 3 is 48 plus 7 5 is 35. 5 3 is 15. 48 plus 15 how much? Tell me. 83 by 15. You can divide 15 into 83. Then how much? 15 5 is 75. Remainder is 8. You can write here 5 upon, the answer is 5 upon 8 by 50. I think all are understand the addition of the mixed fraction. Now next question is subtract. You subtract the mixed fraction. Subtract the mixed fraction just like addition. How to write? Question number 1 is 3 upon 1 by 3 plus minus 1 upon 1 by 4. At first what do? You write question 3 upon 1 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4. At first take one side whole number and another side, it means you write here plus and then here is minus. 3 minus 1 how much? 2 plus take LCM 3 multiply 4 minus 3 1 ja 3. 4 plus 2 plus 4 minus 3 1 by 12. The answer is 2 upon 1 by 12. Same as usual, 3 upon 1 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4. At first change in improper fraction. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10 by 3 minus 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5 by 4. You take LCM 3 into 4, 10 into 3 is LCM 4 remaining minus 5 into 4 LCM 3 remaining 5 into 3. It means 10 4 is 40 minus 15 by 12. How much? 5 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 25 by 12. As usual you can 25 12 to the 24. It means 1 remainder. You can write 2 upon 1 by 12. Answer 1 by 2 minus 3 upon 1 by 3. You can write how to? At first 5 and minus 3 take one side, another side 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 another side. 5 minus 3 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 2 into 3 take LCM 3 minus 2. 2 plus 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 6. It means the answer is 2 upon 1 by 6. Second method is 5 upon 1 by 2 minus 3 upon 1 by 3. You can change in improper fraction. 5 2 is 10, 11 by 2 minus 3 3 is 9, 1 10 by 3. Again take LCM 2 into 3. 11 into 3 minus 10 into 2. 11 3 ja 33 minus 20 by 6. It means 13 by 6. The LCM you can the mixed fraction change in mixed fraction 2 upon 1 by 6. Next question is 7 upon 1 by 8 minus 6 upon 1 by 10. You take one side 7 minus 6 one side and plus 1 minus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 10 another side. 7 minus 6 1 plus 8 into 10. LCM 10 minus 1 minus 8 into 1 1 plus 10 minus 8 by 80. It means 1 plus 10 minus 8 2 by 80. The answer you can here 2 by 80 you can change it in smallest form. 2 1 ja 2 and 2 40 ja 80. It means 1 plus 1 by 40 equal to 1 upon 1 by 40. Second method is 7 upon 1 by 8 minus 6 upon 1 by 10. 7 8 ja 56 plus 1 57 by 8 minus 10 6 ja 60 61 minus 61 by 10. You can take 8 into 10 57 into 10 minus 61 into 8. 51 into 10 is equal to 510 minus 61 into 8 is equal to 8 1 is 8 8 6 is 48 488 by 80. Subtract 10 minus 8 2 here 0. Again take 10 8 minus 2 22 by 80. You can change. My question is 7 upon 1 by 2 minus 3 upon 1 by 5. 7 upon 1 by 2 minus 3 upon 1 by 5. You take 7 minus 3 one side, again 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5 another side. Here 7 minus 3 4 plus you take LCM 2 into 5. Here 5 minus 2 4 plus 5 minus 2 3 and 2 5 ja 10. It means the answer is 4 upon 3 by 10. The answer. Next method 7 upon 1 by 2 minus 3 upon 1 by 5. Change in mixed fraction in improper. 7 2 ja 14 15 by 2 minus 5 3 ja 15 16 by 5. Take LCM 2 into 5. Here 15 into 5 minus 16 minus into 2. 15 5 ja 75 16 2 ja 32 by 10. What is the answer? 5 minus 3 and 3 by 10. You will change 10 divide 10 43 10 4 ja 43 4 ja 40 3 43 minus 40 3. It means 4 upon 3 by 10 answer. Solve the word problem. Suyash bought 2 upon 1 by 2 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3 upon 1 by 2 kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar cost 30 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? Suyash bought how much sugar? 2 upon 1 by 2 kg. At first write the questions here. How much about Suyash bought 2 upon 1 by 2 kg. Ashish about 3 upon 1 by 2 kg. Next question is, how much sugar did they bought together? It means together means addition. How much both are how much sugar bought? Then what do? We can add 2 upon 1 by 2 plus 3 upon 1 by 2. It means total sugar is 2 to the 4 plus 5 by 2 plus 3 to the 6 7 by 2. It means 2 5 plus 7 equal to 12 by 2. It means 6 kg. Total sugar is 6 kg. Given in the question, the cost of sugar 1 kg is equal to 32 rupees. Then the total how much sugar? 6 kg. Then 6 kg, the cost of 6 kg sugar is equal to 32 into 6. 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18 and 19. 192 rupees. The cost of 6 kg sugar is equal to 192 rupees, and the total sugar is 6 kg. I think all are understand. Next number question. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2 by 5 part of her garden, green in 1 by 3 part, and brinjals in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? Aradhana have a garden. At first see the question. Aradhana has a garden. Then total part of the garden is called 1. In the 2 by 5 part of the garden, she grows potato, and greens 1 by 3rd part of garden she grows greens. It means a plot potatoes. Aradhana grows potato in 2 by 5 part, and brinjal greens in 1 by 3 part, and remaining part in brinjal in remaining part. This is the question. It means total how much part of grow Aradhana potatoes and green. A plot is, it means potato total part is used for the by Aradhana is potato and brinjal at 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. This much part is used for potatoes and greens. How much total part? 5 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. 6 plus 5 by 15. 11 by 15. Aradhana used 11 by 15 part for potatoes and greens, and remaining part used for brinjal. Then used for brinjal is equal to total part of garden is 1, minus used part is 11 by 15. Then remaining part, how much you can see, 1 means downside nothing, 15 you take LCM, 15 minus 11 is equal to 15 minus 11 is equal to 4 by 15 part used for Aradhana, used for brinjal. I think understand. Now on how much her plot did the plant brinjal. She used 4 by 15 part for brinjal. This is the answer. Use of, you can write Aradhana uses 4 by 15 part of garden for brinjal. This is the answer. Question number 3. Sandeep filled water in 4 by 7 of an empty tank. After that, Ramakant filled 1 by 4 part more of the same tank. Then Umesh used 3 by 14 part of a tank of water in the garden. If the tank has a maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters of water will be left in the tank? Here Sandeep filled a tank, how much? 4 by 7. 4 by 7 part of tank Sandeep filled. After that Ramakant, this tank filled 1 by 4 part in same tank. Then Umesh used 3 by 14. In that tank Umesh used 3 by 14 part of the water. Then the question is, the maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters are remaining in the tank? See the question. Sandeep filled 4 by 7 water. Ramakant filled 1 by 4 water. Then total part of water, total is 4 by 7 plus 1 by 4. It means 16 plus 7 by 28. 23 by 28. Total 23 by 28 part both are filled. Then the question is, the Umesh used 3 by 4 14 part for the tank of the garden. Umesh used 3 by 14 part for garden. Then remaining water, remaining water means total, subtract in from total waters in the used water. 23 by 28 minus 3 by 14. You can subtract 23 minus 14 to the 22, 3 into 2, yani 23 minus 6 by 28, 17 by 28 part of water remaining. Here given total capacity of the tank is 560 liter, and here already filled the 17 by 28 water is filled in the tank. Then how many liters of water will be left in the tank? It means tank now the total water in tank is 560 liter by 17 by 28. 28 to the 56 means 27 to the. It means the total water in tank now is 340 liters. Just like a question, what is the question? How many liters of water will be left in the tank? Now we have 340 liters of water left in the tank. This is the answer.